guys, Roxanne here from Tiny Home Living. Well, we are getting back to the tile work today. Went to the lumberyard to get everything we needed, hopefully everything we needed, and gonna get back at it today. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. Let's get started. Chris is using that crappy adhesive from that old pail to fill in the big gap there. I used quite a bit to put there, and then I can use up some up there too. Maybe up there, I'm not sure. Chris found the tool that is for opening the pails. This thing is fantastic. Can't remember where we got it, but it's great. There's a little jar in there. Nice and creamy. No lumps. Well, there'll be more lumps in the bathtub and all over me probably, but I was just saying it makes Chris a little bit squirrely watching me do this. And probably most of the men in the audience, but that just makes it a little bit more fun. Now, I already felt this dip here, so I'm going to add a little bit. When I scraped it from right to left, I could feel this dip here.
So go up on the bottom, go up halfway on each side.
Okay. Oh, I need spacers.
Good.
Yeah, it's sticking nice. I just want to make sure it's sticking there. I think I need a little bit. This one's in too much, just like the last time. I'm going to have to take them off.
Which one?
Where's the red bar? Both of them.
You gotta take that one off?
You know what? Maybe I'll leave this one. I'll see if I can leave it on. I'm not sure if it's stuck enough there. This one is way in from that one. But then I didn't butter these. I buttered the other ones. You can see how the lines on the glue were barely touching the tile. So I'm just going to butter the back of this one and see if I can fix that. And then pile some on the end that's in too far. It's still in a tiny bit, but I think it'll be okay. Don't push on it too much. There's still a big gap in there. I think I'm going to leave it. This is what a day's work looks like for two old people. I'm really happy about that because I do not have to cut a tile lengthwise and have a piece up there. The wooden trim will go up there, like Chris puts around the ceiling everywhere. Sort of like that up there. Down here he can cut something wider if we need it, maybe 1" by 1". And that'll be all covered up. So I am not going to have to cut the tiles lengthwise for this whole shower, which makes me really happy. And we don't need Schluter because the tile is going to butt into here, and this wood is thicker than the tile. So no Schluter needed. It's really expensive. So I'm really happy with this. It's going to look really good. And I think the grout lines are going to look pretty nice too, the gray grout lines. I ended up going with the DeLorean gray because they didn't have the gray that I wanted. I think it must be discontinued. So anyway, guys, that is it for me for today. I am tired out and I just have to show you because this is so painful for Chris to watch. But look at my clothes. Look at my pants. I dropped a tile. I've got glue everywhere. I get it all over my hands, all over the trowel, all over the float, I get it all over everything. So it's quite a mess. I'm going to throw these clothes into the laundry right away. I mean, it doesn't matter. They're old clothes. These pants are ready for the garbage anyway. So we're done for today. I'll hopefully get the 2 side walls done tomorrow. That's going to be a little harder because we got to cut the holes for the pipes. But anyway, not much cutting with these big tiles, and I'm really happy with the way it's looking so far. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.